Oden. Cut the green radish. Peel off the skin. Cut the tofu. Cut the fish cake in half. Slice the konjac. Make additional cuts to create a decorative shape. Cut the corn into chunks. We use Uchu Collection, hot pot 2500 milliliters, add some water. To prepare the soup base, add some kombu. Once it boils, add Bonito flakes and boil for 20 minutes. After boiling for 20 minutes, remove the kombu and Bonito flakes. Add the green radish and sweet corn. Boil for 15 minutes. Add white shimeji, all the prepared ingredients and your favorites. Boil for 10 minutes. Season with salt and soy sauce. Stir the soup well. The warm and special Oden is ready to serve.